Bro.
This is crab masalache. This is a preparation which is thick and it is like a curry. Now this is a crab. Already I have cleaned some of the crabs and I mixed them with chopped onion and salt and I've kept it aside. I'll just show how to clean a crab. You need a knife. You have to open this part. Now in Konkani this part is called as penno. There are two types. The male crab is called as bano in Konkani and the female crab is called as naini. Now I have to clean this portion, that is this one. Now this appendages which are there, they are used for, we have to grind it into a paste and you extract the juice from this. This is the digestive system which has to also be cleansed. Yeah. These appendages are meant for grinding. In the meantime, I'm roasting this onion. This is similar to shakuti. This preparation is similar to shakuti, but the only difference being you have to roast the onion on the gas flame or inside a chula. In the olden days, there used to be chulas in Goa. People used to roast them inside a chula. And the coconut which is there, I have already roasted it, and it looks exactly like this after roasting it on a gas flame. Now the masalas which you use for this masalache, kulyanche masalache, is exactly the same as a shakuti. We have fried and everything, each and every, except that we use rice. 1 teaspoon of rice grains are used while grinding the masala. Rest everything is similar to a shakuti. Now it is already black in color. Yeah. The onion is already black in color and I have already roasted the masalas. Now the next part is I have ground this appendages which I had already mentioned into a fine paste. Now I have to I have mixed it with some water and I have to extract the pulp. The paste of it looks something like this. This is the meat or the flesh of the crab which I have to use in this. And now I strain the juice. This makes the preparation very, very tasty. Now this has to be ground only on a grinding stone. This is the grinding stone which is called fatan in Konkani. It has to be ground on this. I've mixed it with chopped onion and yes, it's ready. And the pulp or the juice of the crab, and I'm going to steam it for some time till it changes its color to orange.